What's up, guys? Going for a bike ride. It's a little bit easier now. Gotta get over for these cars. There's been a lot of cars, I think, coming through, and I just started the vlog because I was gonna film this, you know. I was gonna go to live.me and live stream. But you know, that doesn't always work out the way you plan. Somebody hacked into my account and logged me off. So I lost my whole entire live stream channel with almost 100, maybe 300 followers on there. So someone hacked it. So I might make a new live.me account and I might make a new live.me account where I make a new live.me account where if somebody did hack into my account, that person, there's two reasons I would make it, so I could still doing it for my real viewers out there, all my 300 viewers out there, and see if the dude that hacked into my account makes any live streams and says that Jordan Hargrove, I'm his friend, and he told me to take over for a little while, that I can call the police on him and find out where he is and get him under arrested and get my channel back into my hands. So yeah, so wants to keep an eye on him and see if I can throw his butt off in jail and get justice. And second, still do stuff for my viewers, my over 300 viewers. And I'm hearing thunder sounds around me. As you can see, there's a storm. So yeah, my little bike ride might be over just a little bit, man. So yeah, my YouTube, it might have got hacked again. Might have got hacked. Might have to start up a new channel. You might be like, what? Jordan Hargrove, how did you come up with that? That somebody's hacked into your channel. Well, and none of my videos are not uploading without an explanation. I'm going to try to contact YouTube and see what's going on there, and if I can re-upload them videos, because now I have none of those videos that I worked very hard on haven't been uploading. So if they don't upload, and I deleted all my videos off my SD card, they don't have my SD card without them, and without them videos on my SD card, my whole entire days of filming and publicity that I could have done hasn't been working. Then I just lost about 6 days of filming nothing and 6 days of memory. So yeah, I'm kind of pissed off, just a little bit. So I'm gonna see if that's hacked or what's the problem there. And if it's not me being hacked, I don't know what it is. Mayfield is coming out with a biking trail, so maybe one day I can get a stand for my biking thing thing right here, or get me a helmet and put my camera right here and bike. So yeah. So maybe that'll be awesome. I don't know what we're gonna do. I could do my head right here. Alright, you ready? Head time. What's up, guys? So right now I'm fixing to put y'all on top of my head. So yeah, peace. It's right here. Here we go. Right through this parking lot. If you don't know where I am, Justin Tyler's at my school. He with his grandma or someone lives right over to my right. So yeah, that's kind of stupid. I didn't put it on my head. I just kind of held it up to my forehead. So yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. Here we go, main road. Main road, complete. Love biking. So much happier when it's done too. Hopefully this video stays up. If it's not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Cause I delete my videos off my SD card, so I ain't gotta go out and buy more SD cards, which I'm fine with it, but I delete it, so yeah, now I can't re-upload it. Right here, we go back on one of the main roads. So yeah, nothing's going on in life. I'm kind of pissed off at my school. I just ran out of stop sign. But at school, at registration, we need to register at school. Oh shit. I just did a motherfucking prank just a couple of seconds ago. But the helicopter's for me, guys. Where is it? Right there. Somewhere up there. Can y'all find it? This. Okay. I don't know if I'm getting it in frame or not. I don't know. But the helicopter circling me. Motherfucker. Close one, my peeps. But at registration, there's this dentist that come to your school, and it says dentist checkup for free at the Mayfield Middle School. Sign your kid up now. So, you know, I'm okay with a checkup. I'm fine with a checkup. I will do a checkup. Never. But, so checkup. So then, when you people have been going, think it's regular checkup, without any warning at all. No warning at all. They might be checking your teeth and they'll just grab pliers, go up there and pull out any baby teeth, all baby teeth that are left in your mouth, and they're taking out any teeth that need to. That's not in the form. You know, if they wanted to do that, they should put it in the form. So now, tomorrow is my day. I haven't gone yet. That's how I know all of this. I haven't gone yet. But everybody's saying that they're going to get their teeth pulled out. So tomorrow, I think, is their last day. So they're going to call me up probably tomorrow. When they call me up tomorrow, I'm not going to be there. I'm not going to get my teeth pulled out. That's why.